Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I have a review of the TaoTronics Mini Wireless Bluetooth keyboard, and this keyboard is for your iPad mini, iPad, Nexus 7, Galaxy Tab, and other tablets. Basically just any electronic device that supports Bluetooth. And on the back here we just have some contact for TaoTronics, and then it just gives you some of the feathers. I think that's supposed to say features, but I could be wrong. And this is the keyboard itself. It is plastic, but it does look like aluminum because it is painted. There aren't any problems like this. The paint doesn't really seem like it'll scratch off easily or anything like that. And all of the keys push very easily. I've had a keyboard almost identical to this in the past that all the keys were kind of sticky, but it was not this exact keyboard because there are a few slight differences between this one and the one I had. And on the back we have nice little rubber feet that will prevent any sliding while it is on your desk, and we have those on all four corners of the keyboard. And we just have what the model is, and then we have an on and off switch, a connect button for connecting to your wireless device, and then a battery slot. This Bluetooth keyboard does take 2 AAA batteries, so if you're short on AAA batteries, you want to make sure to get some before purchasing this keyboard, because no AAA batteries are included with this keyboard. So other than the keyboard, we also get a nice little user's manual that just tells you some of what the buttons do on the keyboard, and then it's a Bluetooth connect button, on off switch, battery insert slot, and then it's just system requirements. And back here we have some of the product specifications, as you guys can see there. So to use this Bluetooth keyboard, you do have to put some batteries in it, of course. So it does take 2 AAA batteries, so we just put the first one in here, and then the second one. Now if we turn it on, it should work. So it is in Bluetooth pairing mode right now. So I'm going to go on my phone, go on Bluetooth. First you have to enable Bluetooth, of course. And then it is now searching for a device. So if we press scan, then we can click on the keyboard here. So it is now pairing. And then to type on, so to pair, you type 333944, enter, and it is now connected. It says to use Bluetooth keyboard, change input method to Samsung or QWERTY. We just have our standard Samsung keyboard here, and then if we kind of look at it, you can see that typing on here does type on there. So if you guys look up closely, I'll type on here, and there are in fact letters typing on there. I must have turned caps lock on, which is pretty cool. So rather than having to type on your actual phone, you can use this as a Bluetooth keyboard. But this is more ideal for tablets because it's not very logical to use on your phone. It's more to make your tablet more of like a computer than a tablet, because typing on tablets is pretty difficult, and some people use their tablets for a lot of office work or school work or whatever you would need. And so a lot of people just would like to have an easier way to type on their tablets, and this Bluetooth keyboard does in fact provide that. So of course, if you guys like to purchase this TaoTronics Mini Wireless Bluetooth keyboard, link will be in the description. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next review.